their Oculus to their phone app,
Oh,
so
just
that and
quality's
then
terrible.
yeah, and then like stream from their phone to Twitch, their own like phone screen. Just
Oh.
looks really bad. We
Do
going to
research lab.
Saw? Okay.
Somebody jump already?
Yeah, our
Not
idiot
not
fourth
me.
just died.
What the fuck,
Retard.
you guys?
Oh, dude, Severe's out. We gotta follow Severe.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Let's go. Let's
Well,
go there. Swamp.
10-4 Chief.
There's some good shit here I can see.
I see 2 already on the ground.
We're here on the ground.
Got 2 magnums.
Dude, fucking set.
above us.
Oh,
Yeah, I saw him on my way down.
okay. I hear people, I think. We do have to go up north for
An
the...
emu.
Let me go in here. Who riding the emu?
That's our boy.
The delivery mole. Oh shit, fighting. Right here, right here, right here.
Coming.
Down below.
Knocked one.
Two are down.
Friend's lower. He's down.
They're all done. Too easy.
Gonna found that level 2. I'm gonna patch it up.
There's another level 2 up here if someone needs it. They just need to patch it. Oh, people, team.
How do
Coming.
you patch the armor?
C.
I'm playing on controller though.
Oh, I don't know. They're all done. Jesus Christ, guys.
Ow, ow, ow. I'm on the brink of death.
I'm not sure what the button would be, Severe.
I'm healing up. You can see it. It says it like on your bar.
On your screen.
Yeah.
Oh shit, there's an epic deagle here. Yeah, I'll take that. All right, heading to the zone.
Right side, right side.
Oh, something just blew up on the right side.
All right, let's go north here.
Yeah, let's
Above.
book it.
Yeah, let's book it.
There's,
Oh.
below us is a couple guys.
Okay, I'm gonna take this.
Over here, boys.
Huh?
Where
Other
the?
people?
Oh, you're kind of far.
Can't go through that. Oh, people. Oh shit. Zone. We gotta move. We gotta move.
Their boys
Nice.
are toast.
Let's go.
I don't know how to heal though. In this.
Is it not on the screen?
It's C and Q. C's your armor duct tape and Q is your health
It
shit.
should be on the bottom right. It should give you. It should tell you.
Oh,
that.
it's moving.
The zone.
We gotta go. On the right, lower.
Yep. I'm just gonna go up to the people.
Ow, how is he hitting me, dude?
Oh, I'm down. I'm down. I'm gonna try and get behind this rock up here. Sorry, I just want safety. Yeah. Oh fuck.
Left side.
Yeah. Yep.
Could bucket up into these mines. Try and
I'm
hold
down.
them.
Healing up.
Left side mines. He's dead.
Down or dead? Oh, down. Dead. 2 down here. They're over here to the right. They're over to the right, I think.
Circle shrinking up.
Yeah, I'm getting in.
Knocked one.
This is good here. This is gonna have to be our spot down here. There's one of them is knocked. The fuck? Where
This
the
is
fuck?
tight as
This
fuck.
is super tight. Well, they're not coming in from the south here. They gotta be up north. I think we have the best spot here.
Oh,
Where the
Jesus.
fuck? Oh no!
What kind of fucking spot
Um,
is this?
Wow. I'm down. Yo!
Boys!
Good shit, boys. We just won. Winner, chicken dinner.
Chicken fucking dinner, boys.
That was sick.
Let's go.
All right, I got to sweep right quick.
God damn.
Let's go!
Woo!
Holy
That was
shit.
pretty. That was pretty dope.
Yeah, that was pretty sick.
That was sick. That last zone was crazy.
Yeah, I
What
can't
were they
believe
doing to
that. I
us?
think they were in the gas
They had because they
because
were low.
when they ran up on us, they were low and in the
Yeah,
gas, so
true.
they must have just been running late.
True.
Oh yeah.